In this video, let me quickly show you the way that you can create a Gmail account. You can follow these steps if you're using your mobile device as well. Make sure you download the Google Chrome application so it is easier for you. You can just go open up the app. If you have multiple Google accounts already logged in, you'll see the option called Add right here. Click on Sign In and you'll have an option called Create Account. To start off, you'll need to type in your first name and then add in your last name as well, but it is going to be optional. So add in your name and then click on Next. In the next step, you'll need to choose your email address. Either you can select one of these suggested emails, or if not, if you want to create your own, you can create your own Gmail address, but make sure that it is available. For now, I'm just going to select one of these options and then click on Next. In the next step, you need to type and create a password. Make sure your password is strong by including numbers, letters, and special characters. Once you add it in your password and also confirm it, in the second box, you need to now click on Next. Lastly, you need to add in your phone number. So select your country code, add in your phone number, and then enter in the 6-digit verification code that will be sent to it. And there you go. Your account now has been successfully created. You can now use the same credentials to log into multiple accounts. I do hope this guide video was helpful to you. Be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. That's gonna be all for today. I'll see you in the next video.